What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise Marie. So I saw these books on Restoration Hardware and also on the Magnolia blog that are linen covered books, and they are super cute, super neutral. If you know me, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love neutral decor, and I just thought that these were going to be a super easy DIY. If you have priced these books, they can be super expensive. So I wanted to definitely share this with y'all, show y'all that y'all can do this too, for cheap and an easy DIY. So yeah, so we're gonna jump into that. I just also wanted to share some info about me. If you are new to my channel, I am a working mom. I have 4 children, and 2 are older and 2 are still at home. So I love boho, minimalism, neutral decor, mid-century modern. I love thrifting, love sharing some DIYs. I love sharing or giving you motivation to clean your home. Also hauls, and just sharing, my lifestyle in general. So if these are things that interest you, definitely hit that subscribe button so that you can stay tuned for future videos. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our DIY today.
So as you can see, I have 3 books for this, and I tried to get them different sizes, but I realized that the last one I got is not different. I have some linen fabric from Hobby Lobby. This paint that I got from Lowe's on clearance for $1.25. I already had the paintbrush on hand, and just some clear plastic here to cover my counter and not get it dirty with paint or anything. So here I'm just gonna check to see how it looks once it's covered. I wanted to see if you could see the red lines, which you can, so that's why I'm going to paint over just the red letters. And then once I'm done painting the red letters, we'll get started on painting the other 2 books. This DIY was super easy, super fun, super inexpensive. Like, honestly, I kind of wish I would have gone to the thrift store to buy these books instead of going to Dollar Tree. I think it would have been cheaper. I would have saved even more money, but I don't know why I didn't think about it, so that's okay. Anyways, I'm excited because I've done a little bit of work, our homework on these DIYs, and they seemed really simple, really easy, and really inexpensive, and I just wanted to share this with y'all and show y'all that you could definitely do this too. Like I said, this is under $10. It literally cost me $1 for the books, and then $1 each book, and then $1.25 for the paint, and then for the material it cost me $4. And honestly, I didn't even use all the material. I could still make probably 3 more books out of the material that I have left. So I got 1.5 yards, just so you know. I probably could have bought half a yard, and that would have been enough, and that would have probably cost me like $2, because I waited till Hobby Lobby had the linen material on sale for 30% off, I think it was. So all right, hope you're enjoying. So if I could give you some tips of advice, I would definitely iron the linen fabric out before you start to cut. You can cut them to size, which is what I did, and then I ironed it because it was easier that way. And then make sure you cut it longer than you really need. I didn't exactly measure this out. I'm not the best at that, but I just cut it a little bit longer than I needed because I wanted to make sure that I had plenty of material. And then I made the slits in the linen material to cover the books. And I just cut any excess. You don't see me doing it here really too much, but I did just cut any excess material off, so that way I wasn't gluing so much down. Also, you will need, of course, your hot glue gun and your scissors for this DIY as well. So like I said, most of these items are things that you probably already have on hand, and if you don't want to use a linen material, if you just want to use like a nice white type of material, like a canvas white type of material, you could do that too, and it would look just as pretty. Also, don't go too heavy on that glue, because you will be able to see it if you do that. Make sure you kind of just do like thin lines or maybe like dots, when you glue the material down. So those are just some easy DIY tips for you. All right, y'all, so we are about done with this last book here, and I definitely hoped you enjoyed this DIY. It was a quick DIY. It is going to be part 1 of 2 other DIYs that I have coming up, and this is specifically for my media center. I am going to show you an example of how you can use these. You can use them here in your kitchen if you wanted to add some neutral decor, or even in your study if you have a study. And me specifically, like I said, I'm going to be using them in my media center. I'm also going to give you a little sneak peek of how I may use them in my media center. I really hoped you enjoyed this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it. It really helps my channel to grow. And definitely leave me a comment below. I love to interact with y'all guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.